Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Blue European Crayfish in Heartopia. This fish has a really unique color like this. It has a blue color like this, and I think it's so beautiful. And this Blue European Crayfish is one of the ingredients to make or to cook the crayfish sashimi, so you must have this one. And to catch this crayfish, you need to go the forest lake, and it only spawns from the 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. and it spawns almost all weather at the sunny, rainy or rainbow. So just go to the forest island, this one, forest lake. Just go to the forest lake over here. You can just go to this forest lake at the 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. and after that to increase the chance to get this fish, you can uh, you can use fish attractor or mermaid perfume, and after that just keep fishing until you get this fish. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.